Let's break down the dumbbell arm curl, one of the best exercises to build strong, defined biceps. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with a supinated grip. That means palms facing forward. Keep your shoulders back, chest up, and engage your core to maintain good posture. Now curl the dumbbells up toward your shoulders, keeping your elbows tucked close to your sides. Focus on contracting your biceps at the top, then lower the weight slowly and with control back to the starting position. Avoid swinging or using momentum. Let your arms do all the work. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't let your elbows flare out, and don't rock your torso. Keep the movement smooth and controlled to maximize muscle activation. If you find yourself swinging, lower the weight. If you need a modification, try seated curls for extra stability. To increase the challenge, add a pause at the top or perform slow negatives as you lower the dumbbells. Stay strong, keep your form locked in, and let's build those biceps.